I grabbed a towel rack from Walmart for this super easy kitchen hack. Before securing it to the wall, I used my stud finder to locate the studs, and I found one stud that would work for it to go into. Also, by coincidence, I discovered that my level, which has really strong magnets on the bottom, also can work as a stud finder because it attached to the drywall nails. So I put one screw into the little bracket and then checked to make sure it was level, and then I put the next screw in. And then I put the end piece of the towel rack on, and it tightens with a set screw from the bottom side. In order to figure out where I needed to put the other side, I put a level on top of the rod and then just marked it where it needed to be based on what was level. I use this technique for hanging all sorts of things, and it works really well. The other side I didn't have a screw to drill into, so I did have to put drywall anchors in because it's very important that this towel rack is solid. And by the way, it's not going to be for towels. Don't forget to check this one for level 2. If everything's level, everything should match up, right? So now the towel rack is on, it's super secure, and it looks really nice. And now it is time for the fun part. Grab some black shower curtain rings. These ones are from Home Depot, but I have linked some similar ones in the description if you want to check it out. I've also linked some towel rack rods similar to this one. And now you get to hang your favorite charcuterie boards, cutting boards, dish towels, or pots, whatever you want that looks nice. I love that this is such a great use of space, but it also looks really nice. You can also put 2 hooks together if you need, or put the hooks facing the front or the back. What do you think? Would you give this easy kitchen hack a try? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more home DIY and craft.